welcome to the fourth and final DIY with Gia for this series. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched. Make sure you stay until the end for a surprise. So per usual, let's get right to it. On this table are all of the tools and items you will be needing for today's project. We will be making a planter which you can double as a house number sign as well. We will start off by painting our piece of wood and also the crate we have that will be attached onto it later on. Make sure you stir your paint well before you start painting. Let's go. Right now, allow your boards to dry up, and then we will start with the process of adding our numbers and gluing the crate onto the slab of wood. Let's go. All right, so when your slab is dried and ready to go, you're going to apply the numbers. So I already measured where my crate is going to be, and so I've decided to add my numbers from the top area of the board coming down. So here's what it will look like. So after gluing everything down, this is what your planter should look like. And now let's add a touch of greenery using our faux plants and also our faux moss to make it much more beautiful. Let's go. Okay, so after adding your greenery, your house number planter should look something similar to mine. Now I chose to do mine in black and white because I thought that the greenery I chose and the moss I chose complements these colors well. But you can use any other color and also experiment with other flowers as well. Alright, so at the beginning of this video, I asked you to stick around for a special surprise announcement. Now I'm celebrating 1 year of G Restyling projects, and I would love to go back to how it all started with my woodworking workshops. I will be hosting 2 woodworking workshops in July, and I would love it if you could attend. Now, I posted a poll on Facebook and Instagram asking you to choose between 2 woodworking projects you would like to make. And most of you chose option B. Now, option B is somewhat similar to what we just made in this video, but this is the easy stuff. That day we will be using a couple of power tools, and there will be lots of wine as well. So keep an eye on my Facebook and Instagram pages for information about the date and also how you can sign up. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for your feedback. And I will be back with new content on the G Restyling Project's YouTube channel very soon. Bye!